we go. There we go. Got one. Feels pretty nice. It's probably a smallmouth. Nope, it's a pike. Little guy. Little snot rocket. Check this out. Just a little fella. Super pretty. About 22-incher. Fun. If you were going to eat one, this would be the size. And of course, I didn't bring my pliers down. Come on, little fella. I bet this is a guy who ate our minnow. Broke us off. Well, I guess not. Ah! Yeah, you don't want to put your fingers in their mouth. All right. That's what we caught this little fella on. Just a little rainbow trout paddle tail. There we go. We caught a fish. Get you back, buddy.